Good morning, day traders, and welcome to Market Minute, a hedge fund trader's technical analysis of the stock market for Tuesday, March 29th, 2022. Let's get after it. So SPY gapping up a little bit here this morning after yesterday's disappointing volume profile. We had a really nice full body candle there, but like I said, right, kind of disappointing volume profile that doesn't tell us a ton of strength with this move. That being said, right, the market can climb up on that thinning volume, especially as the VIX is now sub 20. So we have a lot of sort of bullish momentum here from other external factors that might be pushing things up. Now we have a little bit of a narrative coming in that their peace talks are accelerating or getting a lot stronger here in this kind of Ukrainian crisis. And so that could certainly be a little bit of a bullish narrative that could help push things further up. My bullish bias kind of continues above this 460 area, and SPY can kind of run up towards 461, right, 462.30, and then kind of that 465 zone. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out high quality technical analysis content for you every single day. QQQ, right, giving us a very similar narrative here today. Kind of disappointing volume profile as well, but looking like it wants to break out of this consolidation and kind of continue that upward path through that 368 target. If we're able to break through 368, then that 370 comes pretty quickly, and then we find a little bit of resistance at that 370.70 before kind of climbing $1 at a time up towards that 375 area. Apple's giving us a really nice strong look here with the indexes kind of cooperating along the way, right? Full body candle, full body volume, right? So we kind of have that strength on strength. Now gapping up, so we have that sort of 3 for 3 where we're getting good momentum, getting good volume, and then good overnight action. If Apple can clear over that 176.80, we have about $1 up towards that 177.80, and then about $1 at a time towards that 180 barrier. Don't want to be trading this if the indexes are weak and kind of selling off, but really like the early momentum that we're seeing here from Apple. Similar narrative here on Tesla, right? Kind of that normal body bullish candle, but extreme outlier volume, well above sort of average, well above sort of the last couple days standard. If Tesla can continue this momentum on this news narrative, right, going into deliveries, going into the promise of possibly a stock split, there's a lot of room up past this 1120 mark. We've got next resistance, right, sort of that 1036 zone, and then eventually that 1145, right, 1172. So if we're able to sort of clear, right, then there's definitely that momentum. We can afford to be a little bit patient waiting for that perfect volume candle combo for our confirmation signal. Microsoft showing us really good strength here as well, right, after yesterday's full body day and increasing volume profile. If we're able to break out over this 314 barrier, we certainly have room towards that 315.40, 317, and then eventually that 320 area. Once we sort of clear that 315.40, right, 315.50 zone, we have very minimal resistance up until sort of the top of this range, and Microsoft could start to move very, very quickly if that volume profile steps in and defends this thesis. AMD, right, and NVDA both giving us very similar looks here, where it's sort of low volume consolidation, little pullbacks, kind of pseudo bull flags, and then now breaking out past this resistance, right? So we can get through 122.50 on AMD, kind of moves that $2 at a time towards that 124.50, and then sort of those next points of contact on this trend line. So 125.20, 127, and then sort of that 128 area. Path towards that 130 could come very quickly as well, but we need to make sure that that volume profile looks perfect. And then very similar narrative here on NVIDIA, right? Really full body outlier kind of breakout there the other day. Little low vol pullback, right? A little bit of consolidation catching its breath, and now breaking out up and over. If NVIDIA can break through 290, starts to climb up towards, say, that 291.40, 294, and then that 300 area becomes in play. So that's how I plan on dominating today's action. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to follow my day trades live and sort of trade with me, you can join the Traders Challenge, and I'll turn you into a winning trader in 90 days or less, or your money back. Otherwise, guys, have yourselves a fantastic session, and talk to you all tomorrow for the next Market Minute.